I talk a lot about the mess that we made of our rail industry by in a very contrived manner, disintegrating, atomizing into bits, and thinking that just chucking it all into the private sector would solve problems. And it didn't do that, as we know, because 30 years later we're having to kind of reverse the whole process. But BR got the interface between public and private right. We don't need to relearn that, because if I do this, oh, look, it's the British Rail Research Software Engineering Unit. And what did they get right? Well, they got right that, when, by the way, developing absolute world, cutting-edge signaling technology, solid-state interlocking. Look, it's some train control system. They didn't build these. Look, Motorola. That's a Motorola piece of kit. But they did build the racks. They understood how it plugged into the railway, and they got the interface right. So you've got bits. And look at this. Look at how wonderful all this kit is. Oh, I'm up in the signalling area in the National Rail Museum, by the way, and you can come up and see this thing stood in a little corner. Fascinating. But it's an interesting point on understanding that we can and did get the interface right between public and private.